If it come out good, it's a tutorial. If it don't, it's an experiment. What's up, Candi Crew?
How you doing? How you doing? How you doing?
Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Candace, and today, as I could tell the title, I am about to attempt a blowout, honey. I haven't done a blowout on my own hair in like over 5-6 years, somewhere around there. Like, it's been a long time. So we are about to try to attempt this today. I hope it comes out good. I hope it comes out good with no heat damage. You feel me? We don't want the heat damage. So I watched a couple of videos or whatever. I'm hoping I could do it. Like, I hope I can get the look I'm going for. Like, I don't want it to be too straight, but I don't want it to be too big or poofy either, you know what I'm saying? Like, I want a little body yaddy. Like, I'm not looking for like silk press straight. That's not what I'm looking for. But I don't know, we're gonna see. But anyway, so let me tell y'all what I got. So right now I'm going to use the Tresemme Heat Tamer leave-in spray. This is my heat protectant right here. There we go. And then I just bought the Revlon brush. Like, I have the other one, which is more like a paddle brush, but this one I guess is supposed to help you, like, specifically for a blowout, like, you know, to give you, you know, to mimic, like, you know, when you do a blow dry with the round brush or whatever. So I got this one brand new, and I really like the other Revlon brush, blow dry brush or whatever, the paddle brush one. So I'm sure I would like this one as well. I just hope I can get the hang of it, like the, you know, the motion of the wrist. It's all in the wrist. It's all in the wrist. So I hope I can get that down. So yeah, I got that, and then I got my flat iron. So, honey, I mean, ain't much talking to do. We're just gonna see how this goes. Let me take this off. If it come out good, it's a tutorial. If it don't, it's an experiment. All right, so first thing first, child, let's split this in half. Let's take it section by section, honey. Section by section. First of all, let me put this whole side up, because I ain't about to do nothing to this side right now. So I think the best way to do this is to do small sections. Let me hit this heat protectant before I forget.
I'ma disturb the peace, you can fall in love. I'ma disturb the peace, you can...
Is that enough heat protectant? Wait, let me pick it up. Oh Lord, am I even spraying my hair? Alright, so let's do small sections. Alright, so I'm gonna start off on low. And then what I see, I guess I wanna brush this way. Like, you do one section and brush this way, and then you do the other section and go this way. I think, I don't know what I'm doing. Hold on, y'all, this thing stink. It stank. Why it smell like that? I guess because it's new. It smells like, I don't know. This thing stank. Alright, back to the program. I guess it's doing a little something. I mean, the root is not the best. Maybe I can hit that one more time, or maybe I have to hit that with my flat iron. I don't know, but it's doing something. It got a little flip. Y'all see a little flip? It got a little flip. Do I need to trim? Let me glove. Anyway, could I have just stuck to my other Revlon thing and not spent my money on this one? Cause see, this one got the bristles. Like, this one has, besides the little rubbery bristles, it has like bristles like a brush, like a board brush or something, you know? I don't know. Let me try to hit this root one more time, one more again. Then I'm keep going. I had to put it on high. I was gonna do low, but child, I'll be here all night, and it's already, what time is it? It's already 9:56, and I gotta be at work at 7 in the morning. So I ain't got time to play. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie, I just got real sleepy. Oh Lord, I hope I can get all this done by midnight. I should. It's 10 o'clock. Go through, blow dry, and I am gonna have to straighten it. I'm gonna have to use my flat iron. Hopefully I can get this show on the road. All right, put it on high and let's go.
A few moments later.
Trying to sit my chair up. I'm trying to set my chair up a little bit so y'all can see. But y'all, okay. I think I'm on to something. I think we on to something. Look at that. It got nice shine to it. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I got a little nervous because I saw some smoking, like some. I'm hoping that's just from the heat protectant and not my actual hair burning. Child, I found out when I washed it. But it's looking good. It's looking good. Got a little. Wait. Got a little flip. I can't show. It ain't doing right. Woo. Nah, it's flipping upside down. There it goes. You got a little flip to it. Alright. So we in now. I think I can do this. I need to do bigger sections though. Like a section like this size is good. I went too small the first time because I'm not trying to be here all night. So yeah, that's the plan. Sections like this. Sections like that is what I'm doing. But okay. So let me finish this. Y'all can watch me. And then I'm just watch Netflix. And hopefully I don't burn my hair off. Peace. Okay y'all, so as you can see I got half my hair done and I'm loving the way it looks. I love how full it looks. Like it's not too, well you know it's gonna get too straight with a blow dryer anyway, but like I'm loving it. I got my little flips at the end or whatever. It's so freaking cute and I finally got the hang of it. I got the hang of what I'm doing. So let me tell you. So while your hair is still mostly wet, like you still wet, you can still see the curls and everything, I just brush it regular because I'm trying to hurry to get it dry. And I got it on high. But yeah, I just go ahead and just like try to brush it through so that way it can get dry. Then when it gets mostly dry and you know the curls are almost gone, that's when I start like spinning it. So like I'll start right here and I'll start spinning it like this right here, and then like that. And then that's what helps to get it even more straight and give me that little flip or whatever. You know, I got it off right now, but that's the motion. But I ain't gonna lie to you, y'all. Doing all of this right here for my arm, my wrist. My wrist a little weak, honey. My wrist is a little weak, but I think it's worth it. It's so cute. I love the way it looks. Let me go ahead and finish because I wanted to have my whole head done by midnight. I don't think that's gonna happen because it's already 11 o'clock and I still have to do my whole head. So let me go ahead and finish this and hopefully it won't take me too long to straighten. Alright.
Eventually.
Alright y'all, so I'm back. My hair all over the place, but my battery died and I'm ready to go to bed, so I had to do some stuff without y'all. So I'm now on the part where I'm straightening my hair. You see it still, I didn't do this front, I gotta do this front piece. But you see it still got the little fluffiness to it, which is what I'm looking for. Like I'm not getting it bone straight because let's see, the highest this is going is 450. I got it like, I don't know what I got it on. I hate this, it has a dial on it, so it doesn't really tell me. I just know the highest is 450. I don't have it near the highest. I don't know, it's somewhere in the middle. But yeah, so now I'm just trying to go through, get it a little bit straighter with the flat iron, but not too straight, because you see, like you know if you get a silk press from a professional, it's gonna be bone straight. Mine still got some. What is this? This. What is this? Y'all, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't, like I said, I haven't straightened my hair, like me straighten my hair in like 5-6 years, so bear with me. But yeah, this is all I'm doing. I'm just going through and straightening it. And And they see y'all. Y'all, it's so smoky in my dang apartment. I'm surprised the smoke alarm ain't came on. It went off. I got it smoky in here, honey. So do you see the difference? This is it just blow dried. And then this is it straight. Like I saying, I didn't want it bone straight. It still got body to it. This one, it still has body to it, or whatever. But it's a little tamer from this part right here, and it has a little bit more shine. So yeah.
So clear to me. Tomorrow ain't really guaranteed. So many days I thought of you. It's about time you knew the truth. Got to act quickly, you and I. If fall in love, so many reasons why. Why don't we?
Okay, y'all. My hair is done. I like it. It's big, it's voluminous, and all that stuff. But y'all, my back hurting. What time is it? It's 1 in the morning. I gotta get up in 5 hours. Storm whining. I'm tired. But my hair look cute though. I need to hit up these edges, but I can't. I don't have a mirror. I'm just looking at my little computer screen, and I can't see it good enough for me to hit up these edges. I don't trust it. I don't trust it. But y'all, I'm tired. I ain't gonna lie to you. Y'all used to one. But it's very voluminous. I need to put some flexi rods on it. That's what I'm about to do right now. Hold on. Okay, so I have some Luster's Pink glosser. It's just like to add shine or whatever. Now how I'm gonna do these flexi rods, y'all? I really don't know what I'm doing. Y'all can tell. I'm just gonna roll it. Right? Just roll it, right? Oh no, I want it to go this way. Right? Oh shoot.
Your heart's jumping like a rabbit on a trampoline. She got pretty feet, big lips, mean body. I spiced up her life, made her Josephine Johnny. She chippy drop, wobble wobble and shake shake. And every time we jump in the sack, she can't.
Y'all, I'm sitting up here putting little flexi rods in my head. If my hair still ain't got no curl tomorrow, I'm gonna be sick. This how I'm sleeping tonight. I need a bonnet. Oh, I do got that big old bonnet I can put on. This how I'm sleeping. Hopefully I have my little Farrah Fawcett stuff still going on by tomorrow, y'all. I'm tired. I ain't got nothing else left for you. This ain't no tutorial. This just me just doing something in front of the camera, child. I'm tired. It just is what it is at this point. I thank you guys for watching, though. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share this video if you care. I love you guys, and I will see you next time. I'm about to go to sleep. Good night.